Excavators are versatile. Heavy machines deployed to move large objects, such as soil and other earth materials. Used extensively in mining, road and building construction and demolition. They are an essential part of a fleet on any major project. In addition to varying greatly in size, there are also a number of different types of excavators, including crawlers, draglines, suction, skid steer and long reach. Each have their own strength that can be applied to different circumstances and specialized for certain jobs, which is only helped by an array of useful attachments. Here we take a look at the world's top 10 largest excavators, based on their operating weight. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel before you start the video. Number 1. Caterpillar 6090 FS Excavator. At an operating weight of an astounding 1,000 tons. The 6090 FS is the world's largest excavator, with twin Cummins QSK60 engines. It boasts a total engine rating of 3,360 kilowatts, 4,500 HP. When Caterpillar expanded their mining capabilities with a purchase of Bucyrus in 2011, they based the 6090 FS on the Bucyrus RH400, which was originally launched in 1997. It can fill the largest Caterpillar dump truck in only 4 passes based on its 52 M3 bucket with 93-ton payload. Number 2. Bucyrus RH400 Excavator. Originally launched as the Terex RH400 and rebranded when Bucyrus purchased the Terex mining division in 2010. This model has an operating weight of 980 tons. With identical engine capacity to the Caterpillar 6090 rupees. It requires 6 car batteries to simply start the engines. It has previously set the hydraulic mining excavator world record for the ability to move up to 10 tons of material in a single hour. It previously held the title of world's largest excavator, prior to the release of the CAT 6090 FS. Number 3. Hitachi EX8006 Excavator. The largest excavator in the Hitachi fleet. The EX8006 offers the versatility of being fitted with either a 43 backhoe bucket or a 40 loading shovel, boasting an operating weight up to 837 tons. It can fill the largest Hitachi dump truck in just 5 passes. The twin Cummins engines give a combined capacity of 2,900 kilowatts, 3,888 HP. For perspective, Hitachi's flagship mining excavator, the EX8006, has an engine capacity 1/6 the size of this. Number 4. Liebherr R9800 Excavator. With an operating weight up to 810 tons. The R9800 from Liebherr comes with the option of either MTU or Cummins diesel engines. For an electric drive version, the electric version is rated up to 2,984 kilowatts, 4,000 HP. Its 42 shovel capacity or 47 backhoe capacity are designed to pair with the Liebherr T264 or T284 dump trucks for maximum efficiency. Number 5. Komatsu PC8011 Excavator. Weighing up to 773 tons. This is the largest excavator in the Japanese manufacturer's portfolio. Komatsu's most frequently used model in the Australian, New Zealand market is the PC208, and it weighs over 36 times less than this behemoth. Its twin diesel engines give it a rating to 3,000 kilowatts, 4,020 HP, and it has shovel and backhoe capacity of 42. Number 6. Demag H740OS Excavator. Designed specifically for KMC Mining's abrasive oil sand works in Canada. The H740OS has been in circulation since 1999. It has an operating weight up to 744 tons and 3,280 kilowatts, 4,000 HP power generated from its two 16-cylinder Cat 3516B diesel engines. Number 7. Komatsu PC7011 Excavator. A new offering from Komatsu. The first PC7011 appeared on site at an Argentinian gold mine in early 2019. While an electric option is available. The twin Komatsu 16-cylinder engines are rated to a combined 2,500 kilowatts, 3,350 HP, and both the shovel and backhoe configurations offer 36 capacity. Number 8. Liebherr R996B Excavator. Offering versatility that makes it suitable for Arctic conditions to 50 degrees Celsius with specific configuration, through to the heat of the Australian coal mines. The R996B has an operating weight up to 676 tons. It has twin Cummins K1800E diesel engines with a combined rating of 2,240 kilowatts, 3,000 HP. The shovel and backhoe capacity are both measured at 36. Number 9. Caterpillar 6060 FS Excavator. Based on the Bucyrus RH340. The operating weight of these models is up to 570 tons. Powered by twin Cat 3512C engines with a combined rating of 2,240 kilowatts, 3,000 HP. This is renowned as Caterpillar's top seller within their mining excavator portfolio. Both the backhoe and shovel have a capacity of 34, which is designed to fully load Cat 793D/F dump trucks in precisely 4 passes. Number 10. Komatsu PC5506 Excavator. Classed as a mid-sized hydraulic excavator by Komatsu. It has an operating weight up to 552 tons. It has matching shovel and backhoe capacity, pending the configuration, of 29 and is powered by twin Komatsu SDA 12 volts 159E2 Tier 2 engines with a combined rating of 1,880 kilowatts, 2,520 HP. What do you think is the biggest excavator? You can write your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.